Well, you won't blame us, you know, it's not every day and Lushu comes to cook for us, right?
Stop it.
Stop what?
What's happening? Why you stop waiting? They call me Lushu.
What is going on here?
Sugar. This is Davina, my babe. Babe? This is Sugar, my friend.
You see me fine. Now she didn't want to live in the kitchen dirty like that. Sister, you know, try action. The kitchen too dirty. Let me small clean and clean inside there. And I find girl be now kitchen go come dirty like that. Suppose try the day in it. It's very necessary for girl. You can't even find, eh? I'm telling you, they won't kind of dirty, fine girl come dirty like that, no good. I don't help you clean Asha.
Desmond, I leave the house for what? Few minutes. And you bring another lady into the house. And she's even insulting me.
I'm not so dumb.
Babe, she came to see me and help me tidy up the place.
Everyone that's especially that cushion. You said if you go well.
Hey. Hey. Get out.
I don't understand.
I said you should get out. I said you should get out of this place.
You see that one now, eh? No, no touch me. You hear? No try that one, say you touch me. As I sit down for you and I touch you. Eh?
Yes, one.
Dirty girl finish, you leave kitchen dirty, come here funny. Who they shout for?
Yes,
no try am. You hear? No try am. No because now your boyfriend, you sure Desmond I beg, una fit chop the food. Make person no come insult me. See as it nonsense.
Omo, who get inner eyes just the way I dey see these two people, it be like say I go turn prophetess so cause I talk am again, say the chemistry between Sonia, UCHE and MAURICE no be ordinary things. Omo, these two dey in love. So I recommend this particular movie to you. Believe me, you will enjoy it. Watch this video to the very end, and if you enjoy the clip, the name is The Love I Found, so you enjoy the full movie. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, follow this channel for more news with the tutorial body. See you guys on my next episode. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the clip. Bye.
My friend, where they go? Don't try. It's UCHE abi smally. Where can I go see some no wahala. As it's small, I know what you're gonna say the two you carry for leg be pass you. My friend. Alpha, come inside now.
You slept with that child?
Obi child. Bros. What's that boy carrying up with the children they carry? And the money in bring now.
That boy looks like a teenager.
Teenage waiting. Ha! That boy they do things so. They do things. Hey. And I'm only bring now. Waiting concern me.
You have no plans of changing, do you?
Bros, waiting. Nobody walk what they do with this. Eh?
Why would you encourage him to do something like that with you?
Encourage waiting.
I don't think you're capable of changing. Maybe this is truly who you are. Maybe this is what you want to keep doing for the rest of your life.
Bro, it's not be like that, Sha. Oh. More go inside now.
I got this for you.
My friend.
They come back. I hear say you and your bobo don't break up. Sugar, what's happen now?
The person will be say they accept me like this as I be. The only person maybe say, you know, they can't walk while they do, why not judge me? Don't leave me.
Don't do, they cry, don't do.
I don't know what happened. Normal, if they come here, you go see me, maybe I don't finish with the client they come out, or maybe the client they enter. And sometimes clients go come, I go to like, okay, may you sit down wait for me. All this time, you not tell me anything, they vex and me not talk anything.
What's gonna happen?
Now I reach today, this afternoon, you come and bring gift, they call. I think call. I just finished with small Richard.
Baby Richard?
Yes. And it's called Richard, go now they come. I see Richard, he come they vex. He gonna tell me say what I do with small picking. I can't glance say baby Richard no be small picking.